General Raina Saab, distinguished senior officers of the armed forces, friends, a lot of young minds are here. My particular good wishes to all of you. I'm sorry I am having to leave also early, that's why I'm speaking, because just next door in the same complex, our leader, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, is coming to address the Bharat Summit 2025, which is having representatives from over 100 countries. So he's coming at 1:30 here, so I thought I'll just take this window in between to spend some time with all of you. I've been a fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force. I flew MiG-21s and the MiG-23s. So we flew what were manned fighters. So in that sense, I'm very familiar with drones, what they can do and what they cannot do. But what is remarkable is that drones and drone technology, the way they have grown over the last few years, it's been a quantum jump in the technology and the utilization of drones. I mean, for all of you, my young brothers and sisters, you will be surprised to know that I am a MLA from a remote area in Telangana. Incidentally, I've been elected 7 consecutive times, 6 terms as an MLA and once as a member of parliament. I was a minister in the earlier combined Andhra Pradesh too. Then I was the president of the Congress party for many years. I was a member of parliament and I'm a minister in separate Telangana state now. So with that background, largely rural, drones were largely unknown even a few years ago. But now, I'm an aviator basically. I joined the National Defence Academy at the age of 16 and spent the best part of my years flying MiG-21s and MiG-23s on Indo-Pakistan and Indo-China borders. So aviation is a fascinating subject to me always. So drones is what? An extension of being a pilot only. I mean, drones are, normally these are what we fly are manned aircraft. Drones are unmanned aircraft. So every time I see a drone, I watch it very carefully because the aerodynamics of a drone fascinate me actually. Because from a very young age, we grew up about flying and aerodynamics and shape of the aircraft and payload and everything. So even when I go to a marriage in a remote rural village, when they use drones for photography, I watch it very carefully because how the rotors work and that little engine, how it picks it up and takes it along and the remote control and all fascinates me. So, and I've been watching drones at many applications in war and peace, in agriculture, and every other aspect of our life now. And anyway, I'm thankful to General Raina, who's been a very dear friend of mine for many decades, who's invited me to be a chief guest here. And I'm really sorry that I'm having to rush in and out because of an alternative meeting which I had committed to earlier, just in the same complex actually. Drone Expo and Conference 2025, a celebration of innovation, indigenization and our nation's growing technological prowess. I'm deeply thankful to Rashtriya Raksha University and the organizing partners for inviting me as a chief guest for this meaningful event. As Minister for Irrigation, Food and Civil Supplies, Government of Telangana, I am acutely aware of the transformative role that emerging technologies like drones, AI, GIS and LOT can play in ensuring water security, modernizing irrigation systems and promoting sustainable agriculture. We are just now working on a system of drones and artificial intelligence to reduce water consumption to various agriculture crops by 30 to 40%. In Telangana, we are committed to modernizing our irrigation ecosystem. Our focus is not only on strengthening physical infrastructure, but also on reviving institutions like Valmatari, once among India's finest apex training centers. We are breathing new life into it, resuming training, investing in research, and re-establishing its role as a hub for learning, innovation, and policy action. Drones have emerged as a force multiplier in sectors ranging from defense to disaster management and from irrigation to delivery of essential services. In agriculture, drones can help us monitor crops, assess soil health, optimize water use, and empower our farmers to do more with less. You would all be surprised to know that drones are now being used even for seeding of various crops. It's a remarkable achievement. But technology alone is not enough. What we need is vision, collaboration, and capacity building. That is where platforms like this Expo play a pivotal role by bringing together startups, academia, policymakers, and the industry to ideate, co-create, and accelerate progress. I strongly believe that our startups are not just job creators, and to all the students present here, you are the spark of India's future. Don't just dream of jobs, dream of solutions, and dream of creating impact. On behalf of the Government of Telangana, I reaffirm our commitment to support and scale initiatives in technology for irrigation, agriculture, and governance. We are open to partnerships, to piloting innovations, and to embedding successful models into the way our government delivers to people. Let this Expo not be the end, but a beginning of new partnerships, policies, and possibilities. At the end, I'd like to say, if any of you have good startups in drones, you can contact me beyond this Expo and conference. We from the state government will support you in whatever way we can. You can take my time and come and brief me on what your proposals are, or you can send me an email and we'll fix up a time to meet. Telangana government is one of the most proactive governments in the country. We are probably the fastest growing state in the country. And you know, Hyderabad is like General Raina said, it's a beautiful city to live in. Moderate climate, cosmopolitan culture, very friendly people, and a huge base of highly skilled manpower. It's a good place to do your business in, to do your startups, and to create thriving businesses. So any of you who are existing, present, or future entrepreneurs in drones, and you need any support from the government, please feel free to contact us. We in the government of Telangana will definitely support you. And I must say a word about General Raina, our host, the organizer of this event. I think he's 4 decades of service in the army, 4 decades of dedicated service in the Indian Army, of very decorated service, served the country with a great deal of sincerity and commitment and sacrifice. We salute people like you, and because of you, India is a safe and secure country. All the very best. Jai Hind. Thank you.